हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू रियल लिटरेचर एंड रैंडम वीडियोस बाय नेहा सुल्ताना। आज के इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे द टेबल्स टर्न्ड एंड द सॉलिटरी रीपर। ये टॉपिक हम लोगों को जो है ब्रिटिश लिटरेचर के पेपर में प्रिस्क्राइब किया गया है गुलबर्गा यूनिवर्सिटी से। एंड मैं इस वीडियो में सिर्फ आपको मेरे नोट्स प्रोवाइड कर रही हूँ और साथ में रीड भी कर रही हूँ। अगर कहीं आपको मेरी हैंडराइटिंग समझ में नहीं आ रही हो तो अगर मैं रीड करूँगी तो आप समझ जाओगे। और वीडियो स्टार्ट करने से पहले मैं ये कहना चाहती हूँ, अगर आप चैनल पे न्यू हो तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए, कमेंट करिए। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं इंट्रोडक्शन से। द टेबल्स टर्न फर्स्ट, इसमें इस नोट्स में द टेबल्स टर्न एंड द सॉलिटरी रीपर का मिक्स एक आंसर है। तो इंट्रोडक्शन में मैंने लिखा द टेबल्स टर्न एंड द सॉलिटरी रीपर आर टू कैप्टिवेटिंग पोएम्स penned by the renowned English romantic poet William Wordsworth. The Tables Turn encourages readers to embrace the beauty of nature and that real wisdom is found in the natural world rather than in books. On the other hand, Solitary Reaper paints a vivid picture of a lone woman singing in a field, expressing the universal power of song and its ability to transcend language barriers. Both poems showcase Wordsworth's love for nature and his belief in its profound impact on human experience. In the poem The Tables Turn, the poet begins the first stanza by exclamation up, like up. He calls his friend to get up or stand up and leave his books, because these books are not a proper source of knowledge. He claims that these books will make him double, losing his originality and reality. And the poet again calls his friend to get up, who looks confused by the sudden call, and he emphasizes by again using exclamation as up, and he asks his friend, wait a second, okay, he asks his friend to clear his looks, that is to change his perspective on seeing things. And the way he is seeing, the poet's friend, the way he is seeing world is quite complicated. The poet asks him why he is facing all the toil and trouble when he has easy way to see things. In the next stanza, the poet describes the beauty of nature. He says that the sun has spread all over the mountains, heights and fields. The savanna and the fields are green. However, they appear golden in the glimmers of the evening sun. And the poet emphasis on the pictures of nature to convey a message that knowledge is not inside the books, and that it is outside in nature, and one can only get the true knowledge when observes the nature. And then the author is expressing a dislike for books, considering them boring and never ending. Instead, it suggests listening to the melodious song of a woodland linnet, that is a small bird, and finding more wisdom in its music than in reading. And listen to the joyful song of the throstle, for even this bird is a good teacher. And the author encourages you to step outside and learn from nature itself. And nature provides abundant resources to enrich our minds and hearts, offering a spontaneous wisdom through good health and truth through a cheerful demeanor. Further, the poet says that the wisdom from nature is delightful. However, our curious minds can sometimes find beautiful things by examining them too closely, like killing something to look at its part. And in next line, the poet says that a forest in spring will teach you more about humanity and more about wickedness and goodness than sorry for the extra brightness. And then okay, I don't know why it is. And goodness than even the wisest of people ever could. And at the end of the poem, the poet says that no more studying science or art, and put away those fruitless speech, come outside instead, and with a heart open to simply watching and listening. And The Solitary Reaper is a poem by the English poet William Wordsworth, and the poem was inspired by the poet's trip to Scotland in 1803 with his sister Dorothy Wordsworth. It was first published in 1807, and in the poem the speaker tries and fails to describe the song he heard a young woman singing as she cuts grain in a Scottish field. The speaker does not understand the song, and he cannot tell what it was about, nor can he find the language to describe its beauty. And then he finds that the traditional poetic metaphors for a beautiful song fail him. And in this poem, the poet William Wordsworth tells us about a woman who is in a field alone and single in the field. As she is harvesting her crops, she is singing maybe a sad tune which echoes in the deep valley. The poet is not very sure what the song is about, but because of the tune of the song, he can predict the song is sad, and the speaker asks us to stop and listen to her tune or gently pass. This is what he is saying in his poem, William Wordsworth. I just like him. I love his all poems. And he tells us that no nightingale has sung a welcoming song to wanderers in the deserts, and he goes on to say that a cuckoo bird at its best during springtime cannot hum a tune better, and her singing is the only sound breaking the silence in the Hebrides, a group of islands of the coast of Scotland. And the poet has no clue that what this song is about, or if it has a theme. Having no answer, he guesses it's about death or illness of a loved one, a war long ago, something mundane, or even some suffering. The wished for the song to not end as he listened to it, standing there without motion and utmost tranquility. And there is a conclusion I have written here. In conclusion, in both the Tables Turned and the Solitary Reaper, William Wordsworth celebrates the transformative power of nature and human connection. In the Tables Turned, William Wordsworth urges his friend to forsake books and embrace the wisdom found in the nature's beauty. Similarly, in the Solitary Reaper, the poet is moved by the Solitary Reaper's song and finding profound meaning in her simple yet powerful expression. Both poems emphasizes the importance of experiencing and appreciating the natural world. तो ये वीडियो यहीं पे एंड होता है दोस्तों. उम्मीद करती हूँ आपको आज का ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा. अगर पसंद आए तो प्लीज़ लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए, कमेंट करिए, सब्सक्राइब करिए रियल लिटरेचर एंड रैंडम वीडियोस पे नेहा सुल्ताना के चैनल को, और बेल आइकन को भी प्रेस कीजिए. सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. बाय बाय.